video on how I gained followers on all my social media platforms and also got customers. It's a quick video. I did it before and I feel like it's probably old and outdated. Let me move this cup because I feel like it looked like an ad and it's not an ad, but it could be an ad, y'all.
Know you with their friends, girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big.
The first thing is repurpose your content. Now, whatever I post on YouTube, I will post on all my social media platforms. So let me explain it a little better. So on YouTube, my videos are about like 20 minutes. I will cut pieces of that video and then make that into a YouTube short, TikTok, Reel, and all the platforms. And another thing about repurposing is the position of your camera. So on TikTok, the videos have to be facing this way, this way. And for Instagram, for a post, you want the video to be like this. And to do that is kind of well, it is easy actually. It's just time consuming. You have to edit that on any editing software. I use iMovie. It's been perfect for me. I suggest you do it too. And now, well, let me go back with editing software. I don't pay for anything. I don't. I'm very frugal with that. I use free sources because it's affordable, and if my platform grows bigger, maybe I'll upgrade. But for right now, there's nothing wrong with iMovie, and that comes with your laptop. Now that you have your content and reposting and all that good stuff, now you have to be consistent. This is my rule of thumb. You do not want anyone to forget about you, and that's it. You don't want anyone to forget about you. So I try to post damn near every week. I do post. I post every week, every day. Not so much every day, but every other day I will. But I'm always going to post something. Like for instance, today I went to get this coffee. I vlogged that as well. That is content. Now, a lot of people may think it's boring content. It might be boring to you. Some other people think your life is interesting. I like stuff like this. It's a soft life girl era for me. I like stuff like that. So to put that in consideration too, if you're trying to, or you're attempting to be an influencer, vlogger, whatever, this is very important now. So once you have your content you're gonna post, I'm trying to be mindful of time. You guys know I'm in school. So now that you have your content to post, you need to use hashtags and text. Okay, and that's gonna be a little difficult when I say text, because each platform, when you edit and add the text on the screen, you have to do it in that platform. For instance, if you're gonna post something for TikTok, you edit and add their words, their text, their format. You use theirs, right? And do not save it and then post it on Instagram. You have to do it again. And when we go to Instagram, you have to post using their templates. That's the only thing. I feel like they're just being a little territorial. Also, and you need hashtags. So hashtags is the way to reach other people besides the people that are following you. And also add a location that opens your doors to more followers as well. Okay, so I know this video was short but straight to the point. Every time I do my tutorials, you guys know I go straight to the point when I do videos like this. And it's not that, it is hard. I want to say it's not that hard to get followers. It is hard, but you just need to be consistent, continuously post pictures, post short videos, and then you got it.